If you're looking how to set up your first AI agent to help you with customer service or to help you with lead generation or scheduling some type of report, you're definitely in the right place. The very first thing I want to tell you is we're going to be using smsblast.io. The main reason is because it's the most affordable one, which is a penny and a half for messages to come inbound and outbound. Plus, the chat support is a lot better. I'm not just saying that because this video is uploaded on SMS Blast. We specifically built this for businesses. Our main company is a marketing company, and we are a subdivision of that where we launched this product for our clients because we understand other products and they're just so difficult, right? So once you click sign up and create an account, it's going to take you into the dashboard. I do want to say this is one of our current clients, which is ryobid.com. They currently have a live API that sends messages when they're being outbidded, when sends notifications, and sometimes what happens is they start to respond back here like yes. I'm not sure what they responded back to a notification, right? I'll be in early, so here's another one. Hey Joseph, this is the auction. We hope this finds you well. We wanted to inform you that your items have not been picked up yet. You have 3 days. So this was March 25th. They did a rebrand, so this is old, but this person keeps texting it, right? I'll be there early. This is March 31st, so a whole week after, and there's nobody responding to that. So we did set it up using a API, which is here on the left side. I'm not going to click it because I don't want you guys seeing our API. But what we're going to do is we're going to solve all their customer problem issues. The AI agent itself, it is $79. So we're going to go ahead and subscribe to that. Once we subscribe, we're going to set up the AI agent. This is what I'm going to walk you through, right? Your AI agent subscription is now active. A receipt has been sent to your email. Head to setup to configure. So we're going to go ahead, click here. We're going to give our agent a name. So we're going to call this person Erica. And then it's going to ryobid.com is going to be our company. And inside business information, you're going to go ahead and type all your business information here, which I'm going to be using AI to grab the information here, which I'm going to pause this video real quick. So see you in a second. How did I use ChatGPT to explain what Ryobid is, right? What is ryobid.com? Ryobid is an online auction platform where users can bid on any products and win them heavily discounted prices. Boom, right? So now all this information is through ChatGPT and it's going to help my AI. Doesn't even have to be spaced out. It's just my OCD wanting to perfectly space it out. Personality. So this AI is going to be more of a chat support, help people. So I'm going to put friendly, right? If custom instructions, any specific instructions to your agent, always mention 10% off, never discuss competitor. So obviously I'm put never discuss competitor. Mention how you can't look up specific orders. And then my goal is not qualifying, booking, close, collecting information. So I'm going to go ahead and click customer support. You're able to click multiple. So if you're trying to book appointments, like let's say you are a gym, a personal trainer, and you want them to come in, you probably want to click book appointment and qualify the lead, right? You don't want everybody to think it's a lead. So from here, I'm going to create the agent, but I'm going to do mostly customer support. So agent created, head back to knowledge base. So it's going to shoot me over to knowledge base. This is where I want to fill in all the information about the company, right? Like the hours. So we're going to go ahead and click here, and then we're going to click hours and location. We are open Monday through Saturday from 10 a.m. to 6, I believe it's 5 p.m. Let me check this real quick. Again, this is one of our clients, 6 p.m. and then we're closed Sunday. So, okay. open till 6 p.m. and closed Sundays. But you can bid online 24/7, right? And then you can set the priority here. This is a pretty high priority for us. So I'm gonna say from 1 to 100, I'm gonna put 50. And then I'm going to put here hours of warehouse. Again, even if you misspell things, that's the cool thing about AI. It's gonna know what you're talking about. So I added the hours and location. I'm probably gonna add pickup to pick up your items. You have 3 days from when you won. And then you can even do as much as, let's go back to Railbid. So I'm going to get the address for Railbid here, and I'm going to paste it. Pickup location is boom. Right, you start filling this in with information from your business. Again, you only have to train it once. If you want to know how your AI is doing, you can go ahead and go back here and be like, I need help with my order, right? You start to test it to see if it's picking up everything you're putting. What's going on with it? Can I go pick it up at 9 p.m. tomorrow, right? Unfortunately, we're closed at 6 p.m., but you can come by anytime Monday through Saturday between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m., right? Just think about that. So the more information you add it, the better it is. The cool thing is, once you set this up, you'll be able to have your conversation overview where you can see how many times is your AI responding to people. And then here in the top right corner, it's going to actually tell you how much time you saved if it was a human being, which is super cool, right? So once I finish adding all my knowledge base and everything here, I'm going to go ahead and click Enable Agent. Once I click Enable Agent, it's going to take over my messages, which is inside here, right? So if it doesn't know what to respond, it's going to escalate that conversation where it's like, what should I do, right? It's like, I don't know what to say, so I'm going to escalate it. Boom. It escalates, and guess what? Well, now you automatically go to here, and then you go to conversations. Then you'll be able to go into the escalations, and then you'll be able to check the escalation, right? If the lead or the conversation is good, let's say you're doing it for leads, you can go into that conversation and stop your AI and hand it off to yourself or to somebody in your team. So it's super, super smart, and it's going to know what to say. The more information you have it, literally the exact training that you give your employees, you dump it into the knowledge base, and you don't have to worry if the AI is good for it or not. It is going to learn off everything you dump in there one time. If you need help setting it up, SMS Blast can set it up for $197. Simple as that, right? The cost of SMS is $0.015, and again, it's cheaper than if you had a full-time employee. You can also put on the knowledge base, you don't want conversations to drag on, and say, hey, if they need more help, escalate it after five replies, right? If somebody's really upset, you can even start training it to how to de-escalate that. So hopefully this video was super helpful if you're looking to get your AI customer service agent or bookings or anything like that. I'm super pumped for you to get this off and going. One thing I did forget to mention, to get the AI agent going, you do have to purchase a phone number, unfortunately, and get it approved from A2P. I say unfortunately because the government has made A2P registrations a lot harder to get it approved. And if you plan on sending out more than 20,000 messages a day, you're going to need multiple phone numbers, right? So all these are through our API because they're a really big company. And yeah, until now, if you need more help, there's a support button. And hopefully we see you on smsblast.io with your AI agent ready to go.